guys, I'm here at my dad's house and this is his garden, believe it or not. It is huge. And I thought while I'm here, I might as well show you just one of his plants in particular, which is this. I think this is a mother of thousands. It's a succulent. They do sell it here in Cyprus. They're known in certain countries as a weed. They're actually, people pull them out and get rid of them because they just multiply so easily. I guess because the little babies grow on the edge of the leaf and then they fall off onto the ground. And as you can see, look, they're everywhere. Literally thousands of them. Everywhere. They're just, and you know, it goes all the way around. Let's go. Look, there's like, and if I come over here, look, more babies on the floor. They're just growing like mad. There's a big one here, and there's an even bigger one behind it. And look, oh no, I thought it was a baby. It's not. And then there's these. Now I thought this was another plant, but it's not. This, if you go up, is actually the flower, and look how big it is. It is huge, and they're so pretty. Oops, can't focus. There we go. So pretty, the flowers. But yeah, propagation is so easy on this plant. When I literally, if I show you, I mean to propagate, yeah, you just take the babies. Let's pull one out. And as you can see, it's rooted. And you just plant that. And look, it's so cute. But my friend was like, don't do it, Shen, because your garden is going to be full of them, like my dad's. But they're succulents and I just love them. I just think they're so pretty. As far as I know, to propagate them, yeah, you just take their babies and plant them. You can't leaf propagate them. I haven't read that, you know, breaking off a leaf will thingy a baby. I think they're quite pretty plants, but as you can see, they're mad. It's like if you get one of these, I'm telling you, you will have literally thousands of them, like my dad. They're everywhere. They are literally everywhere on the ground. Look under here. And because these ones don't see the light a lot, they're quite green. Because obviously the more light it sees, the darker it is. But yeah, it's just crazy. Another flower over here. This is flowering. I really like their flowers. And the flowers last for so long. Very attractive plant. And this has got a lot of new growth. And as you can see, it's like a, I don't know, I think they should have called it a crocodile plant. It just reminds me of a crocodile's mouth. Like the you know, the leaves. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick video on mother of thousands, or it could be my mother of millions, to be honest. I'm not sure. There's mother of thousands, mother of millions. But yeah, quick video on that. Thanks for watching, and I will be posting soon again. Bye.